Time to get the weed out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's a special day for me. We're here on our small family farm in Ellery, Illinois, and I am about to check something off my bucket list. For as long as I can remember, I've dreamed of riding in a combine during harvest season, but we always came to the farm at the wrong time. And today, that dream comes true. Gonna get a ride. Not only do we get to experience this firsthand, but we're also tagging along with one of the coolest and kindest farmers you'll ever meet, Seth Fern, our farmer and owner of Fern Blasting and Painting Service. Well, thank you. It's like a dream come true, you know?
Is it really?
Yeah, I've never done anything like this.
You've never been to Tom?
No, never have. Yeah, good view.
Good.
Yeah, they could. Did I get it?
Here one more time.
Okay.
There you go.
Wow, this is cool. We got a nice view.
Yeah.
You see a lot of deer out here?
That's one thing I was going to tell you. This will really help out your deer and your rabbit population.
Oh, neat.
I have seen so many rabbits.
Oh, yeah, I've seen a lot of rabbits too.
I have noticed the hawks aren't bothering me too bad. So.
Okay. It is time to start harvesting. This is such a cool experience. Today we are riding in a 2006 Case International Harvester 2388 Combine, known widely as the International 2388. That little control right there? Okay.
Now if I'm cutting beans, it will.
Okay.
Like it'll be automatic and it sits right on the ground when you're cutting beans.
Huh. I never have done anything like this.
Yeah, I'm just tickled that you guys. I was hoping you guys would be.
Yeah, I was wondering what happened with all this stuff that blew over. Yeah, I didn't.
The wind.
Okay.
The wind and the rain.
But it picks it right back up. So you don't lose it. Yeah, okay.
Sometimes. It's really, really ornery. And then it would, you can pull.
You're up so high.
January or February.
Huh.
Really came back that long.
Okay.
Filled up. But your whole like 200
here. Yeah. Glad we found you. You don't know how much you mean to us. You mean so much to us. So cool. The sensors are going off, telling us it's time to offload the grain. Joining us today is Grant Tyler Fern. He's an awesome kid.
Yep.
What would you do without him? Your wife would be out here probably.
She used to run this.
I'll get out of your way here. Did you? Oh, you do it right there. Okay. Wow.
We would keep driving. There's a ditch right there.
Oh yeah.
Unload while we're going.
Yeah. That's what you're talking about, that belt.
Yeah. And there's, it's like back before there's garden knives. Here it's seaweed, like this is what you can plant.
Oh, this is going to be planted. Okay.
That's what we use for making bread or something.
Really? So what's he with? Is he one of your partners?
He's with Remington Seed Company.
Oh, really?
He's coming out.
Seth informed me that the wheat that we are harvesting is going to be used as seed, and we are meeting up with Remington Seed Company to run tests on the wheat. This is so cool.
Bad. Well, we've talked about that with Grant. And
I can see that.
We always kind of joke that he's either going to be a preacher or a salesman. I saw you guys at McDonald's last night.
Oh, yeah. That's about all it's open. This is a shot I never thought I'd get right here. It's cool.
That's landing. You can let me know. Both of these up to go and start down the trucks. It hardly ever works good.
Yeah.
And I was down there one time, and just one pass. Usually you had to make like 3 passes. I was doing like one pass, and it was working like a garden. And I pulled up to the end, and he's in his car, and he gets out. He's looking at it. I said, "Man, isn't this working good, Grandpa?" He goes, "I think I just fold it up and go to the house." It's like, what are you talking about? He goes, "It'll never make it." I was like, "Well, aren't you just Mr. Optimistic for the day?"
That's him.
And I got to laughing. And you know what? He was right.
Yeah.
2 weeks later, the river come up.
Oh, really? He's so proud of that barn. We love that barn. All his toys. Okay. Since we are at a nice flat spot, we can offload the wheat while driving. Did you lose a lot with that? Okay, good. Yeah. You're doing good.
Small mine?
Yeah.
It's actually like a 2006 model.
Is it really? Have you painted it? No?
Just took a look at care of it.
What a fun experience and what a great person Seth is. We are so thankful that God brought Seth and his family to our farm, and we look forward to many years of working together and more fun experiences. Thank you for coming along on this experience with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment about your favorite farm memories.